Welcome in. I am the Crypto Bull God, and in today's video, what we're going to discuss is why I believe the time is now to be purchasing Kaspa. If you appreciate the content, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop me a comment. You gotta click that bell icon for all notifications to know when I go live each and every single weekday for my crypto TA live stream called All in the Charts. I take your TA questions. You can find me on Twitter, YouTube, even the Instagrams, and Tradingview. It is one word, CryptoBullGod. Just a quick disclosure that none of what I'm sharing is financial advice. I'm simply looking to educate and to help others through sound, logical, technical analysis. We're all big boys and big girls, I certainly hope so we can make our own personal financial decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. All right, guys, we're going to focus on two main charts. We're going to focus on the Kaspa USD chart. We're going to do that on multiple time frames. And we're also going to take a look at, once again, at the Kaspa BTC relativity value. Now, I'm going to do something a little atypical for these TA videos. I'm going to jump to a 4-hour time frame. This is a really low time frame, okay, that I typically don't go to, but I want to evaluate in this case. I believe very strongly, and as I said at the top of this video, and I always say at the top of every single video, I am never providing you with financial advice, okay? I am simply providing you my current outlook based on education logic that I have accumulated over time, okay? In this case, I feel that this asset is accumulating at a value that would be silly not to be buying at current price levels. Let me explain to you why. 4.3 cents. If we actually go to this time frame right here on the 2-day chart, you can see that this was our prior all-time top here. Okay, this is our prior all-time high. This was in April of 2023. We just broke that, guys. We just broke it. Now we got to flip this to red for resistance, but we just broke 4.3 cents. Okay? The chances of us rolling over here and coming all the way down to these price levels are slim. We just broke prior all-time highs at 4.3 cents. We are in the middle of consolidating. Look at the price action on the 4-hour. We're hugging this 50 simple moving average. Could we break the 50 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart and come all the way down to around 4.3 cents and back test and create support around our prior all-time high? Absolutely. That is absolutely a possibility, and I would consider it a gift, okay? But right now, we are in the middle of consolidating, and if we look at some of the price indicators on the 4-hour chart, we can see that the MACD is beginning to flatten out here. It's beginning to flatten. It looks like it wants to curl up, okay? So I'll have to wait to see, in the coming couple days here, if we actually do get across and we continue moving up. This thing could continue moving up and then roll over and go to 4.3 cents, or we could just fall to 4.3 cents tomorrow at the time of recording, okay? Either case, what I'm trying to best exemplify to you in this video is the fact that we just broke all-time highs. We only went up to 5.2 cents. Okay, we only went up roughly 30% above, just shy of 30% above our prior all-time high. In situations like this, especially given a lot of the price action that I am anticipating to come into this market, the worst thing, in my opinion, that you could do after an asset breaks all-time highs like this is start to get nitpicky over price. At current price levels, this thing is a gift, in my opinion. And again, if you go back to a lot of TA videos that I do, I don't often speak to fundamentals. I don't, but I've indicated to you that for this project, I am as excited as I've ever been from a fundamental perspective since Hashgraph technology that I got really into with Hedera for HBAR. Okay, Kaspa has me very excited from a fundamental perspective. So it's not just the technicals that have me excited, it's also the fundamentals that have me super excited. Okay? Price levels here, in my opinion, are going to be, you're going to look back on this, in my opinion, several months out from now and wish that you had bought at 4 cents. Whether you're buying at 4.6 cents or 4.3 cents, again, I would not get too cute with price. If we go back to the 2-day chart here and we remove some of the kindergarten graphics that I have on the chart here, And if you appreciate, by the way, if you do appreciate the TA analysis that I'm doing here for you guys, just trying to keep things stupid simple, just make sure to click the bell icon so you receive all notifications. I do a daily live stream it's called All in the Charts, and I take your crypto TA questions most days on that live stream. Make sure to tune in. Now, on the 2-day chart, what I like to see here, it's not just price action gravitating in this area. Again, I think anything in this area is a gift. But the other thing I like to see, the purple is the 50, the yellow is the 20, and the blue is the 10. And they're all moving up, and they all have, wouldn't call it a golden cross, but they're all crossed above one another. They're in the exact order you want to see. 10 is above the 20, which is above the 50. That's what you want to see, all right? Last time you can see, once we got that cross, we moved significantly up in value. We just saw the cross here, and we've had a minimal move up. I am expecting this thing to get into double digits sooner rather than later. The last point I wanted to make here, and I wanted to take a look at the Bitcoin relativity chart, something that we took a look at just a couple days ago. Guys, if I am correct on my views with Bitcoin, given the fact that, something I've been speaking to very routinely on my TA live stream, all on the charts, is something also, if you're following me on Twitter at CryptoBullGod, that I've been covering very routinely. There's been a lot of other value-added technicians in the space that have spoken to the fact of this it is literally historic levels of volatility that are currently being displayed within Bitcoin, the total crypto market cap, Ethereum. Something has got to give. And based on several other charts that I've been covering, I am expecting a large move. I'm talking green Jesus candle move in Bitcoin very soon. Now, when that happens, you have to ask yourself, is this going to, just evaluating this chart, you don't have to be a rocket scientist, you could be a kindergartner. Do you think that the chances are we're going to do this, or we're going to do something like this and just continue moving up? Guys, this thing has had clear impulsive wave movements up, and similar to the USD chart that we just covered, we literally just broke our all-time high in relativity value that was created back here in March, guys. That was 5 months ago, technically four and a half months ago, okay? While anything is possible, and I can't guarantee you anything on this channel, you should run from people that guarantee you on any TA channel. I can't guarantee you anything on this channel. The only thing that is guaranteed in life is living and dying. What I can tell you is, to me, it looks a lot higher of a probability for this thing to continue churning up. So what I'm trying to say to you is, as Bitcoin makes its ginormous move up, which I'm anticipating, I anticipate Kaspa, even if it consolidates in this region a little, to continue outpacing Bitcoin, and it's going to supersede whatever moves Bitcoin makes in the market. Last point that I want to keep in mind, that I want you guys to keep in mind right now. I was very passionate about getting this video out right now because I see price. Again, I just see price accumulating in this range before a big breakout. Guys, we are still waiting for this project to get listed on major exchanges. What do you think will happen when the major exchanges need to provide liquidity to market participants? Your Binances, your Geminis, even your Coinbases. Retail becomes a lot more familiar and aware of this project. The opportunity is now. The time is now, in my opinion. This thing is going to continue skyrocketing in price. If you appreciate the content, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop me a comment, click that bell icon for all notifications to know when I go live on All in the Charts, my daily live crypto TA live stream. If you appreciate the content, make sure to tune in again and share this video with at least one person. Until next time, let's all spread awareness and carry the education forward.
So what you gonna do, $5 on CryptoBullGod and his crypto maniacs and the entire cryptocurrency market run wild on you?